I'm Erica and welcome back to the channel. If you're dealing with polluted air, nitrogen oxides from traffic or cooking, or just want a device that cools and cleans without the hassle of multiple gadgets, then get hyped because today we're reviewing the Dyson Purifier Cool PC2 De-NOx. This innovative air purifier fan features advanced De-NOx technology to neutralize harmful nitrogen oxides, HEPA H13 filtration to capture 99.95% of ultrafine particles, a bladeless fan for safe cooling airflow, auto mode with multi-sensors for smart purification, 90-degree oscillation for room coverage, night mode for quiet operation, and app control for remote monitoring. Grab it on Amazon through the link in the description, and trust me, if you want a purifier that's effective against urban pollutants, quiet for bedrooms, and doubles as a fan for year-round comfort in rooms up to 800 square feet, this is the one that'll purify your life. Most importantly, click the referral link in the video description to get yours. Let's break down the features on the Dyson Purifier Cool PC2 De-NOx. This tower has a slim, modern design in white or silver that's elegant and space-saving with no blades for safety around kids and pets. The filtration system is multi-stage, a pre-filter for larger debris, sealed HEPA H13 for trapping dust, pollen, bacteria, and particles down to 0.1 microns, activated carbon for odors and gases, and the unique De-NOx filter that catalytically converts nitrogen oxides into harmless water and nitrogen. Built-in sensors monitor PM2.5, PM10, VOCs, NO2, and temperature/humidity in real time, showing data on the LCD or My Dyson app. Auto mode detects pollution spikes and adjusts fan speed from 1 to 10, then dials back for efficiency. The Air Multiplier tech amplifies air for a powerful, smooth breeze up to 350 litres per second, with 90-degree oscillation to distribute purified cool air evenly. Backward airflow mode purifies without the cooling sensation for winter, and night mode runs quietly at 40 decibels with dimmed lights. Connectivity includes Wi-Fi for app control to schedule, track history, or integrate with Alexa, Siri, or Google for voice commands. It's energy efficient with filters lasting up to 12 months, and setup is quick. Plug in, connect to app, and it's ready. Priced around $400, it's built to last with a 2-year warranty. Now, pros and cons to keep it balanced. The pros are purifying cool, advanced De-NOx and HEPA filtration that tackles nitrogen oxides and ultrafine particles for healthier air, dual fan and purifier for cooling comfort without extra devices, smart sensors and auto mode for hands-free operation, quiet 40 decibels in night mode so it won't disturb sleep, effective oscillation for even coverage in medium rooms, and app voice control for easy monitoring. Users rave about reduced pollution symptoms, fresher rooms, and how it combines functions seamlessly. On the con side, the price is higher for basic needs. Filter replacements add cost, though long-lasting, oscillation limited to 90 degrees, and no humidification if you need added moisture. A few mentioned the app can be finicky on weaker Wi-Fi, but overall, the pros dominate for multi-use purification. My recommendation? Absolutely. Go for the Dyson Purifier Cool PC2 De-NOx if you live in urban areas and the pros like pollutant neutralization, quiet cooling, and smart features make sense for you. It's perfect for homes, offices, or anyone wanting fresher air without noise. Before we wrap, if these reviews freshen your space, hit subscribe for more gear guides. And click that affiliate link in the description. It supports the channel and scores you the current deal. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks a bunch for watching. If this helped, give it a like, share with a friend who needs clean air, or subscribe for more. See you next time.